All right, guys, Mr. RV Tech here. We've got a basic Precision Circuits Incorporated power control system monitor panel. And we've got Jayco's BM Pro display panel here. And we've got a Precision Circuits 50 amp circuit breaker box. And I just ran into something I've never seen before, and it's got me quite confused. So I'm going to share it on here and see if anybody has any insight. Specifically, what you're going to see here is I'm going to try to run two air conditioners independently, and then you'll see the anomaly, and then at the end you'll see that both air conditioners run fine with the anomaly, which is, it's just so strange I can't even wrap my brain around it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this main air conditioner, and I'll point out the circuit breaker on, and that's on 70 degrees cool auto. We'll come down here to the breaker box. So this 20 amp breaker and wire right here is the main, and then we have the third AC, which is our center, on this one with this wire. So let me show you something with the amp clamp. Here's the main. We're calling for auto cool. So we have 7.82 amps. The other air conditioner is off. Let's slide on over there. What is this? The fan amperage is being displayed on the middle air conditioner, even though the middle air conditioner fan is not running. And the compressor amperage is being displayed on the air conditioner that's actually running. Extremely odd. So this has got me going crazy. All right, so let's head back up here. We're gonna shut this guy down, so we'll turn it off. Oh, let me focus here. We'll go to second AC's in the bedroom. It's irrelevant, it's DC. All right, so now we're turning third air conditioner on. 70, cool auto. Come down here. So that would be this wire here on this 20 amp breaker. Oh, look at this. Compressor amperage on the air conditioner that's running, the center one. We'll move over to the rear air conditioner where it is completely off. No fan, no compressor. Oh, look at this. The fan amperage is displaying on the opposite air conditioner. Does anyone at all have an explanation for this? And if so, explain what's about to happen next. We're going to head back up here, and we're going to turn them both on together. .70 degrees auto cool. So now we have the third air conditioner and the main running together. Time delay relay still on, but you can see we have normal amperage. That you would see on a Coleman air conditioner, right around 10 amps. But it's reading the other air conditioner's fan. Just wait for that time delay relay to kick in here. So for me, this is physically impossible. When we talk about the electrical world or RVs, I mean, this circuit I'm wrapped around right here, that should be going straight to that air conditioner. But I'm reading fan amperage off the opposite. And another thing that's confusing the customer, I didn't mention, is the display panel here it's all confused. So he might see 2 amps on one and 12 on the other, and he thinks that the air conditioner or the compressor is running on one and the fan is running on the other. And there it goes. Compressor kicked on the second unit. Alright guys, if anybody has any answers to this, please hit me up in the comments. Very strange. I am going to send this to Precision Circuits and share it on the internet for everybody to see. Somebody please ease my mind and give my customer peace of mind, because I don't understand it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.